Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of permissions on the application of SayHi. We click on settings, then you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above we can search about SayHi, then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that we'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click on clear cache. In the end you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.